Okay, first let's talk about my ride for a second part of this episode. I headed to the valley firstly. Here all modern communications were dead. Then I was told by two motorcyclists who were ahead of me that the road would not be passable. They both backtracked, and I followed. Then turned left at the fork, where I had mistakenly taken a right. Passing another mountain pass, then pitched my campsite at this valley. The total ride, well, by estimation, was only 30 kilometers. A local who were passing here came forward for a short talk at this mountain pass, altitude for around 600 meters, and started to descend down. Seems like they got a flat tire. Just here, met two motorcyclists ahead of me, told me about mountain slides ahead and not passable. I had to backtrack here. As I passed by the pickup with a flat tire, they asked for my assistance. Here, without cell phone signal, maybe I could be one of the few who would help. I added 4 rubber sticks inside. 应该20公里应该没问题。你们赶紧往回开吧。我们这，没事。Wow, helping those in need always brings a sense of joy and fulfillment, doesn't it? Well, here's the mountain pass. I gotta backtrack for more than 10 kilometers. No one's clear. Yeah. Now let's go find the fork. Well, scenery here is still stunning. So at this fork, I should choose the left side rather than the right side. Another mountain climbing process to a mountain pass over there, and then down. Oh, so many hawks. Met another motorcyclist from the opposite. Unlucky for him, he lost his clutch due to the water submerge. He shared the experience on the other side, where I would be bound for. Importantly, he suggested me to put on my rain boots and rain pants. There were tons of muddy puddles ahead, and where another came, they were a team actually. just me and with my bike. No cell phone data. The view here is stunning. I don't see any yaks, any sheep, any cattle, just me. And you can just see around me. The wind is gentle, not so harsh. I think this is gonna be a tough one. It's all rocks. Here, even tougher. Main stand and touch the ground. I should stand this way. You check this one. Someone's engine being cracked. It's probably cooling liquid or the engine oil. It's already 4 p.m. I don't think I can get enough time. Today I plan to camp on this grassland. What's the problem? Well, unlucky. Just got far over there and then lifted out all myself. My cup holder now is ruptured because of that. Some scratches here. Wow, there's just a lot of muddy puddles. I got serious problem. As pioneer, just fails here. Oh my god! Oh. I think there's someone who can help me. The left side pannier failed because of the first tip, which loosened the hooking bar. Then the imbalanced weighting caused the second tip. 谢谢. Both the handlebar wind deflector and the rear view mirror were stuck in the mesh, so I needed help lifting this heavy bike this time. 好了，边角已经立上了，这个坏了。It was just not easy to do work here. The altitude was too high. Could feel path so easy. 太不好弄了，谢谢啊。好，谢谢。嘿。Yeah. So now it should be okay. Well, the scenery here is cool, but riding experience isn't cool. A good thing that this one is okay. I didn't crash my GoPro here, so nothing wrecked. Say if I can set up my camp here today, I'll call it a day. I got water. It's locked. There's a toilet over there. Yeah, some bed here. It's been locked, nothing. And that one closed. I think it'll be same for that one. So, say what to do next. Hello? I think they're out for their yachts. Probably there's another mountain waiting for me over there. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, as I'm about to have some more progress for this day, then the owner of this house came home. He told me like this site most beautiful around this region. So I plan to pitch out my tent here. And one more thing about the cost here, it's really cheap. Altogether €6. I can have a campsite, I can have dinner together. Not bad. Today I feel over 2 times. That can be normal for adventure as such. Bumpy roads. It's too heavy, you know. For the road as such, I better choose a low displacement motorcycle, like 250. I think that would be better. This is beautiful, isn't it? A stream here, and valley there, and sunset, so beautiful. And a peace time for myself, finally. The host also invited me to join their dinner, father and son.